Good morning, everyone. Myself Mitesh Mithala, and I am from SASH Institute of Management Studies. And today we are discussing about the security analysis and portfolio management. And the topic was the banking sector. First one is, what is security analysis? The analysis of various tradable financial instrument is called security analysis. Security analysis help a financial expert or security analyst to determine the value of assets in the portfolio. Then what is the portfolio management? So portfolio management is the stream which deal with the managing various securities and creating an investment objective for an individual is called portfolio management. The portfolio management refers to the art of selecting the best investment plan from an individual concern which guaranteed the maximum return from minimum risk involved. What is bank? Now, bank is a financial intermediary for a safeguarding, transferring, exchanging or lending of money. A bank distributes the money which is called, we can say, the medium of exchange. A bank is a business and bank sell their services to earn money, and they need to the market and do manage those services in a competitive field. The introduction of banking sector. As per the Reserve Bank of India (RBI), India's banking sector is sufficiently capitalized and well regulated. In Indian banking industry has recently witnessed the rollout of innovative banking model like payment and small finance bank. The digital payment system in India has evolved in the most among 25 countries, with India immediately payment service, we can say IMPS, and being the online system at the level 5 in the faster payment innovation index FPII, and another one is UPI, which is called the Unified Payment Interface. Then the market size of banking sector. The Indian banking system consists 12 public sector bank, 22 private sector bank, 46 foreign bank, 56 regional rural bank, 1485 urban cooperative bank, and 96,000 rural cooperative bank are there. Public sector bank assets to rupees 72.59 lakh crore in a financial year of 2019. As of July 2020, the total number of ATM in India increased to 2,909,989 and is further expected to increase to 4,07,000 by 2021. The main is the HDFC Bank, private sector bank, ICICI also private sector bank, and State Bank of India is also government bank. The investment and developments. In 2019, banking and financial services witnesses the 32 merger and acquisition activity. We can say we get the one like Bank of Baroda, Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank and coming together and make a merger and acquisition by Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank and Baroda Bank. In March 2020, State Bank of India has largest lender raised $100 million in green bond through private placement. In October 2020, HDFC, FDFC Bank and Apollo Hospital partnered to launch the Healthy Life program and holistic healthcare solution that make the healthy living accessible and affordable on Apollo digital platform. Thank you.